Hey guys, today we are replacing battery in Audi key fob, which looks like this. This is from A6 C8, I believe, and to access the battery we will need first of all remove the key from the remote, from the key fob. So you need to press over here, and while keeping it pressed, just pull over here and you will have the emergency key in your hand. And right now we need to open this flap. The user manual states that you can do it with the key. Actually, you need to press over there, but if you have a flat screwdriver, it will be much easier. Please don't pry the cover, because there's a small lock over here which you need to release from here first, and if you will pry this, you will just most likely break it. So I'm going to insert the screwdriver like so, aiming towards the center of the cover. I'm going to press it a little bit and pry it upwards from underneath. So let's try to do this. I can already see that the flap is a little bit higher, and right now I believe I can just do this. Okay. And inside we will have a 2032 battery, which we can just remove like so. Let's replace it with the new one. Let's place the cover in place, start from here, and now just push it in place. I have this feeling that this is designed to be broken by mistake, by accident. And I believe that's it. This should just work. We can see the LED indicator over here when I press the button, so I believe it just works. Okay, that's it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and see you soon.